My dear grade 6 students, welcome back to school. Today we are going to start our first session in our curriculum jump board, and we are going to start the unit 1 in the Capper. We will take lesson 1 and 2, so let's start. Let's start, my dear students, with a new vocabulary in lesson 1 and 2. I want you to pay attention to the pictures and listen carefully to the meaning of each word. The first word we have is capered. Capered. And capered means something we use to store clothes in it. The second word is secret. Secret. And secret means something that mustn't be known. The third word is message. And message is a written or spoken piece of information. The fourth one is bell. Bell. And bell means hollow metal that makes ringing sound. Number 5 is a tracksuit. Tracksuit. And a tracksuit means a suit for sports. Number 6 is a spider. And spider means an insect. Number 7 is costume. Costume. And costume means a style of clothes. Number 8 is equipment. Equipment. And equipment means different tools. The last one with us is pat. Pat. And pat means a piece of wood for hacking poles. Now, my dear students, we are going to take some verbs followed by specific prepositions. The first verb with us is look like. And look like means match or resemble. For example, your brother looks like your mom. The second one is look for. And look for means search. Please look for my bag jack. The third one is take care of. And take care of means look after. Example, please, Emily, take care of your little sister. Let's take also some new phrases. And phrases means new expressions. In this unit, we have only 2 new phrases. The first one is search me. And search me means I don't know. The second one is I am fed up. And I am fed up means I'm not happy. Now it's time to take the grammar or the new structure in this unit. We are going to take a new tense called the present simple. And we use the present simple, my dear students, to express habits. Habits means something I do every day. Like, I always get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Also, I can use the present simple to express facts. And facts like, the earth revolves around the sun. This is a fact. Also, we can use it to talk about a daily routine, like my father works in a big hospital. But how can I form the present simple? With the pronouns I, we, you, and they, the verb comes in the infinitive state, comes with new additions. For example, we sometimes visit the zoo. I get up early every day. And with the singular pronouns like he, she, and it, we put is or es or ies to the verb. Es when it ends with ch, sh, double s, or x, or o, like watch, wash, go, fix. And I put ies when the verb ends with y, and before y the consonant, like study. Let's take some examples. The first example, she always plays football at the club. Asma never washes her clothes. He studies his lessons at night. My dear students, we have taken the affirmative state in the present simple, and now we are going to take the negative. In this tense, we have 2 auxiliary verbs, do and does. So the negative form will be with I, we, you, and they. We are going to put don't, then the verb will come after it in the infinitive. For example, we don't visit the zoo. I don't get up early. With he, she, and it, we will use doesn't, and the verb will come after it also in the infinitive. And that means that we will delete the s or es or ies. For example, he doesn't study his lessons. Asma doesn't wash her clothes. So, my dear students, how can we form yes or no questions in this tense? We are going to use the two auxiliary verbs in this tense, do and does. And we have known before that do and does, the verb after them comes in the infinitive state. So, for example, we can say, do they get up early every morning? Yes, they do. No, they don't. Does she wash her clothes every night? Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. Now, my dear students, we are going to take the keywords of the present simple tense, and we use the keywords to indicate the presence of the present simple tense. We have always with 100% and equal every day, usually with 90%, often with 70%, sometimes with 50%, and hardly ever with 30% and equal rarely, never with 0%. Now I want you to test yourself and ask yourself these questions and to try to answer. Choose the correct answer. She with her friends every day. She play or plays or playing. Try to think well.